Imagine you've just spent a month tracking your finances manually. Every single transaction, every single penny, inputted by hand. It's a tedious, time-consuming process. You wish there was a faster way. Can you imagine a world where your financial software does all the heavy lifting? A world where your transactions are automatically imported, saving you hours of manual labor? Well, good news, you can. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of YNAB, You Need a Budget, and explore the powerful feature of transaction importing. We'll discuss how to set it up, troubleshoot common issues, and even explore some advanced tips to maximize your time savings. Setting up transaction imports. The first step is to connect your bank accounts to YNAB. This is a simple process that involves providing your bank's credentials. Once connected, YNAB will automatically fetch your transactions. But wait, there's more. YNAB also supports importing transactions from credit cards, investment accounts, and even loan accounts. This means you can centralize all your financial data in one place, making it easier to track your spending and budgeting. Troubleshooting common issues. While transaction importing is generally a smooth process, there are times when things might go wrong. Here are some common issues you might encounter and how to solve them. Connection errors. If you're having trouble connecting your bank account, double-check your credentials and ensure your bank supports YNAB's import feature. Incorrect transaction categorization. YNAB might miscategorize some transactions. You can easily fix this by manually changing the category. Missing transactions. If some transactions are missing, check if your bank has any restrictions on data sharing. You might need to contact your bank's customer support for assistance. Advanced tips for maximum efficiency. Scheduled imports. Set up scheduled imports to ensure your transactions are automatically updated on a regular basis. Custom rules. Create custom rules to automatically categorize transactions based on specific criteria. Import filters. Use import filters to exclude certain types of transactions from your budget. Transaction importing is a game changer for anyone who wants to save time and simplify their financial management. With YNAB, you can automate the tedious task of inputting transactions, allowing you to focus on what really matters, achieving your financial goals. So, if you're tired of spending hours manually tracking your finances, give transaction importing a try. You'll be amazed at how much time and effort it can save you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.